Before we get started, some information from the CDC. There is much to learn about the novel coronavirus, better known as COVID-19. What is currently known is that it is spread from person to person, most frequently with close contact. This type of transmission occurs via respiratory droplets. Current evidence also suggests that COVID-19 may remain viable for hours to days on any variety of surfaces. Cleaning of visibly dirty surfaces followed by disinfectant is the best practice for prevention of the spread of COVID-19. The Idaho Department of Corrections has adopted the use of PreventX and the cyclone sprayer in order to increase the efficiency of institutional disinfecting. PreventX has been shown to kill viruses on contact when applied to a surface. The following is a detailed account on procedures for prepping and applying safely and correctly PreventX using the Cyclone Backpack Sprayer. Your institution has received a highly efficient Cyclone Backpack system, complete and ready to use. Please make sure all the parts are there, beginning with 4 or 2.5 gallon tank, cap and intake filter, top and bottom holster bolts, high pressure spray wand, backpack straps, 5-foot high pressure hose and spray gun, spray tip, an 18-volt lithium-ion battery, and quick charger. Warning: do not operate the sprayer without liquid in it. This will damage the pump. Along with the sprayer, your institution has received an EPA and FDA-approved PreventX 24/7 solution. It puts a protective barrier that reduces cross-contamination on high-touch surfaces. PreventX is best utilized when it is applied after a bleach application or other approved disinfectant. It is not destroyed by normal daily cleaning and lasts up to 30 days. Warning: do not mix PreventX with any other chemical or even water. Use it only directly out of the jug it comes in or the refill jug that comes with your kit. Do not use PreventX on glass. The chemical may fog glass. If you get any pooling, wipe it up immediately. Warning: never spray chemicals against the wind or towards humans or food, and always wear protective clothing, mask, gloves, eye protection, etc. when using chemicals. Before any operation, the operator must don his personal protective equipment. For example, long sleeve shirt, long pants, boots or shoes, gloves, face mask, and safety goggles. Then the operator will inspect the pack. Make an operational checklist. This will ensure that proper maintenance will be addressed before it becomes an issue. Proper care and maintenance guidelines are: return remaining PreventX solution to its original container or the refill container. Rinse out the tank and fill it with water and spray the water through the system for 3 to 5 minutes, completely ridding the tank of PreventX solution. Dry tank completely and store in a clean area, away from extreme heat or frost. Ensure that the adjustable nozzle, high pressure spray wand, spray gun, 5-foot high pressure hose, and 4 or 2.5 gallon tank are attached properly. Inspect the backpack straps, tank cap, sprayer body, intake filter for serviceability, and adjust accordingly. Report any damage to your team leader. It is time to put on the pack. This must be a 2-person job. Do not put the pack on by yourself. The assistant will lift the pack to the height of the operator so that he or she can put their arms through the pack straps and tighten them down. After that, the assistant will let the weight come down on the operator's back and help adjust the pack for proper fit. The assistant will then remove the wand from the pack with 2 hands and give it to the operator. Then the assistant will turn on the pack. Adjustment may be needed for how much power needs to be increased or decreased by turning the dial. Then the operator will perform a test spray. When doing a test spray, ensure that you are in a well-vented area and the spray will not come in contact with another person. The assistant must always keep an eye out so that no one walks into the area the operator is spraying. The spray should be a mist that puts down very small droplets, 1/16 of an inch or smaller. If the droplets are larger, then adjust the nozzle or increase the power. The finer the mist, the better coverage you will get and the less likely you will get any pooling. Before sanitizing, the janitors must have cleaned the area to ensure that the chemical will adhere to the surface as prescribed from the standard operating procedures. When misting, the wand should be at eye level or just a little higher. You must check to make sure the wand is not too far down to cause pooling. The higher you are with the wand, the more likely it will mist before hitting the surface. Too high with the wand and you will have a good chance of spraying chemical on yourself. To get the best coverage, the operator should spray from side to side and be sure to walk backwards out of the area. Plan your path prior to spraying. The assistant must help the operator at all times, either guiding or speaking from a distance, making sure that the operator does not run into any objects. When you are finished with the building, you will want to make sure that you are backing out of the area that you were spraying so that you do not cross-contaminate that area. Your assistant will turn off your pack, then the operator will squeeze the trigger to relieve the pressure from the line. The assistant will then replace the wand into the holsters of the pack. Once you exit the building, that area must be closed to allow for cure time of approximately 2 to 4 hours. Thank you for your hard work and your time taking to learn the guidelines and procedures for the proper way of disinfecting with PreventX using the cyclone sprayer. Be safe, mask up, and thank you.